So you mentioned planning and scheduling a few times, and would love to focus this conversation around that. The first question for me is like, how did you become so passionate about planning, maintenance planning and scheduling? Where did that come from?
I think that was a hard lesson back in the Philippines when I was basically took on the role of maintenance execution, right, head of maintenance execution, and we had an asset, like I said, that was plagued with a lot of integrity issues from the original installation and design phase. We had a lot of equipment failures. We were highly reactive because of that, because we were not very good at prioritizing work. Everything had to be done urgently. Being offshore, logistics are hard, labor is constrained, and it was near impossible to get on top of our issues. And what I found was that, yeah, we were not in prioritizing, we were working on everything at the same time rather than really focusing on what had to be done first. And we were just not efficient. Read the book from Doc Palmer, right? Everybody must know that by now. But that's a fantastic book. I highly recommend it for anybody who's interested in planning and scheduling. Get the book, the maintenance, what was it called again? The maintenance scheduling handbook, I think. Fantastic book. And started implementing that. And over the months and maybe a year and a half, we really saw an improvement in terms of how much work we could do and getting on top of it, and became less reactive. And by doing that, by getting ourselves more time, we finally got some time from the guys at the front line to start thinking about, okay, what's going wrong? Where are we really struggling? And we got some time to start doing some RCAs and some defect elimination. And it was just really, really important. So that was when I learned the importance of planning and scheduling. It's if you don't have good planning and scheduling, you're going to be set up to fail for a long run.